sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So here we have the prime vehicle to be snow, I guess, Hoonigan, a diesel. Sucks you wrecked it, but oh well. A bigger fifth wheel doesn't exist. I mean, that is one huge fifth wheel. I'm pretty surprised that truck's pulling it. Granted, it is a Cummins, probably 12 valve, but still, like that was a lot of weight for a vehicle, a truck, in my opinion. This is like his passengers is like, what happens is I yank the e-brake. Let's find out. Mini muffins. Definitely going to be delayed to his drop because this dude doesn't want to go in reverse. Like, literally, humans are just annoying.
Apparently, they don't know they're supposed to back up.
Like, there's nothing else to it than just humans are annoying. And humans are ignorant, such as this. Like, they're all swinging one way. Why come towards them? You already know BMW driver's mad.
Chase that fucker!
Why chasing him? It's... if you do this, you should know that could happen. It's simple. If you go out in the middle and you get hit, no one to blame but yourself. It's basically like a unsigned waiver. This could happen.
Chase that fucker!
Tell me the truck's like, I don't care. I'm just gonna swing it.
Yo, what's going on?
When do you skip leg day?
Man, that is one cool truck.
The dude saying that probably has no vehicle. This was all my Kentucky folk a couple days ago. If you guys live in Kentucky, the snow and ice here is pretty crazy. It wasn't that crazy, but quite a bit of ice. Very cold. This also brings a question, why buy a two-wheel drive and lift it if you can't even go up your driveway? Like, you might as well just got a standstill 350Z.
Yeah.
Not shabby.
That's what I'm talking about right there. That's freaking awesome.
I would agree, that is awesome. You know, that can't be good. He's definitely not making it to his next truck stop. Or truck delivery. And also, if he's in Kentucky, this is what a lot of people was doing this weekend. Well, Christmas. A lot of snow, a lot of ice, a lot of fun. Makes you want a truck or something lifted to do that. But you can't beat this though. Granted, this can't go in the snow, but it would make cool sounds in the snow though. You're just not going nowhere. Basically like a Mustang.
Don't worry.
A lot of sound, no going.
I'm not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do.
And he did it. The arrow from that wing just brought him over there.
Look at him, look, 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 look. Shitty cunt, look at you, well done.
So many questions. So many questions. Every Sonic, Walmart parking lot in the South. Well, that guy definitely... Homie got lucky he didn't get absolutely decapitated by that door when it's shut on him. 2650 V3. If you guys didn't know what a 2650 was, it's like the nastiest blower that a blower car can have. And this car, V3 CTSV Cadillac, so happens to have it. I mean, he's still didn't use its turn signals.
No, this wasn't supposed to happen. This wasn't supposed to happen. We can still fix it. We can still fix it. We can still fix it, please.
I have a hard time believing this is coming out of this car. The sound is coming out of this car. Something like a wah. I'd be absolutely livid if I got my car hit like that. You know, I thought that was a A90 Supra, but it's a Viper. Sick. Hope you guys enjoyed this new video, though. Until next time, peace out, guys.